In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to what are Base44 Integration Credits. To get started, head over to Base44 and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the workspace or project dashboard you want to review. This is where you'll usually manage your apps, settings, and connected services. So it's the right place to begin if you want to understand how integration credits work in practice. Next, navigate to the billing, usage, or credits section. The exact label may vary slightly, depending on your account view, but you're looking for the area that shows how many integration credits are currently available. This section is important because it gives you a direct view of your credit balance and helps you understand how usage is being tracked over time. From there, open an existing project or build a new one that uses an external integration. For example, this could be a project connected to an email service, a database, a payment provider, or an AI API. Integration credits are generally tied to actions your app performs through these connected services, so opening a project that actually uses one of them helps make the concept much clearer. Once you're inside the project, connect the required integration by following Base44's setup instructions. This typically means authorizing the service and making sure the connection is active so your app can communicate with it correctly. It's a good idea to follow the setup carefully because a proper connection is what allows Base44 to process those external actions successfully. After the integration is connected, keep in mind that each time your app completes an action through a supported integration, a certain number of integration credits may be deducted. In simple terms, whenever your app sends data, triggers a service, or performs a supported external task, that activity can count against your available credits. The amount used may depend on the type of action being performed. Because of that, it's a smart habit to monitor your credit usage regularly. Checking in on your usage helps you avoid surprises and makes it easier to keep your project running smoothly without interruption. If your app depends heavily on external services, this becomes even more important as activity increases. Finally, if you find that you need more credits, you can upgrade your Base44 plan or purchase additional credits if that option is available in your account. That way, you can continue using your integrations without hitting a limit unexpectedly. And that's the